Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is about the carboxylic acid. We discuss here the conversion of carboxylic acid to acid halide. Acid halide is actually the derivative of carboxylic acid in which the OH group is replaced with the halogen. It is the most reactive acid derivative. It can be prepared by treating PCl5 and SOCl2. It is treated with the carboxylic acid to form acid halide. Now PCl5 acetic acid is used, and chlorine is replaced with the hydrogen and form HCl, and another chlorine is replaced with the carbonyl and form acid halide, and phosphorus oxide trichloride. Now mechanism for this reaction: oxygen is more electronegative, negative charges appear and positive charge on the carbon. So this oxygen will attack on the phosphorus, in which the one of the chlorine is negatively charged and it will become positive charge, and this compound intermediate is formed. Now in HCl again react with this compound, so oxygen is more electronegative, and chlorine will attack on the carbon, and hydrogen is attached with the oxygen, and this it can be write like this. So the electron from the hydroxyl group will attract toward carbon, and these electron will attract toward the phosphorus, in which one of the chlorine, actually chlorine is more reactive, so it will attract electron from the phosphorus, so it will become positive charge, and these electron will be toward the phosphorus, and hydrogen will be replaced with the chlorine, form HCl and phosphorus oxide trichloride, phosphorus oxide trichloride and acid halide. So this is the mechanism for the PCl3 and acetic acid. Now here we discuss reaction with SOCl2. Reaction with SOCl2, here hydrogen is replaced with chlorine, form HCl, oxygen is replaced with the sulfur and form sulfur dioxide, and chlorine is acid halide. Now mechanism, as we know that chlorine is more electronegative and hydrogen is less, so it will become positive charge, it will become negative, it is negative, it is positive. So oxygen will be attached with the oxygen, and HCl will be removed. Now oxygen, the carbon and oxygen is more electronegative, so positive charge will be appear on the carbon, and this chloride from the HCl will attack on the carbon and form this intermediate. Now chlorine, the chlorine is more electronegative, it will attract the electron toward itself, and these electron, the electron from the oxygen is coming toward the carbon and form acid halide, sulfur dioxide and chloride will be removed, which is again react with hydrogen and form HCl. This is all about the reaction of acid halide, and thank you.